your way home, drive the shadows away. Smile every mile, for wherever you roam, it will brighten your road, it will lighten your load, if you sing your way home.
Hello students, this is the rhythm of this poem. You try to sing like this. So sing your way home. Sing your way home at the close of the day. Sing your way home drives the shadows away. Smile every mile, for wherever you roam, it will brighten your road, it will lighten your road, if you sing your way home. Sing your way home at the close of the day. Sing your way home drives the shadows away. Smile every mile, for wherever you lighten your road, it will lighten your load, if you sing your way home. Hello students, now let us have the meaning of this poem. So sing your way home at the close of the day. It means that at the end of the day, when you are going back to your home, keep singing. Okay, means you must sing while going back to your home at the end of the day. Sing your way home, drive the shadows away. So just keep singing while returning to your home, because your singing will drive the shadows away. Drive away, this is phrase. The meaning of this phrase is to remove. Drive away means to remove. So here sing your way home. So keep singing while returning to your home, because that singing will remove the shadows. So shadows means here your burden, your problems, okay, your sadness. So that singing will vanish or will remove your sadness. Okay, smile every mile. So while going, every time, while going somewhere, every time keep smiling. So second stanza we are dealing, for wherever you roam. So here what the poet wants to tell us, what you go wherever you want, wherever you roam. Roam means here travel. You travel wherever, any corner of the world. You go any corner of the state, any corner of country, or everywhere you go. But just what you should do, you should keep smile on your face. Okay, smile every mile means every time you have to keep smile on your face, okay, while going somewhere. So wherever you roam means travel, wherever you travel, keep smile on your face, it will brighten your road. So suppose you are going somewhere, and if you keep and you are keeping smile on your face, so what will happen there? So if you smile or while going somewhere, you will be or here what you will come to contact with many people. Okay, while going somewhere, many people will meet you. So because of that, to maintain the relationship with other people, okay, to maintain the relationship with other people, or for welcoming to other people, you must keep smile on your face. Okay, see, if you suppose you come in Khed, okay, you are unknown, you don't know anything about Khed city, and you want to go to Mandip High School, and As you are unknown, you must ask the information, the way, to any stranger. If you keep smile, and if you smile in front of the stranger and ask a question, then the stranger म्हणजे दुसरा माणूस will tell you the address of Gnandeep. If you use bad words, if you express your anger and ask any address, so the other person will not give you address. What will give? Rather, he will give you slap. जर तुम्ही रागानं कोणत्याही गोष्टी मागितल्यात तर तुम्हाला फटके बसणार. म्हणून तुम्ही जर हसत 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 एखाद्याला विचारलं किंवा स्माईल चेहऱ्यावर ठेवून विचारलं तर काय होईल? एखादा माणूस तुम्हाला ॲड्रेस सांगून जाईल. तसंच आहे, स्माईल एव्हरी माइल्स फॉर वेअर एव्हर यू रोम, इट विल ब्रायटन युअर रोड. इफ यू कीप स्माइलिंग every time, then what will happen? It will brighten म्हटले. It will brighten your road. So brighten your road means here happy. That behavior, what kind of behavior? Your happy behavior will make you happy. Your smile will make you happy when you go to visit unknown city. Wherever you go, your smile will bring beautiful things, will bring happiness to you. It will lighten your load. It will lighten your load. Lighten means what? Less, smaller. Your load. Here load means burden. So it will lighten your load. So if suppose you have lots of burdens on your shoulder, okay, and means here your smile will make your burden very smaller. So that smile, it means here smile will lighten your load. That smile will help you to small or to lighten your burden. Here load means here burden, problems, and here shadow means also what? Problems. Addition to that, here shadow means sad thoughts, you can say. Okay, bad thoughts, sad thoughts. So here again the fourth line in the second stanza, it will lighten your load. So it will means here the smile will decrease your burden, your problems, okay, your sadness. When, if you sing your way home, when your burden will be burden will lighten, when your when your burden will lighten, when you will be happy if you sing while returning to your home. Means what? You must sing. So singing, it is a sign of happiness. Usually person sings in happiness. Now I will explain this poem in Marathi. Sing your way home. घरात जाताना sing your way home. जेव्हा तुम्ही घरी जाता तेव्हा तुम्ही गाणं गा. Sing your way home at the close of the day. दिवसाच्या शेवटी जेव्हा तुम्ही घरी जाता तेव्हा गाणं गात जा. Sing your way home, drive the shadow away. आणि गाणं गात असताना काय होईल तर तुमचे जे सॅड थॉट्स म्हणजे वाईट जे विचार आहेत, ओके, काही वाईट विचार असतील, काही प्रॉब्लेम्स असतील, ते सर्व काय होतील, डोक्यातनं निघून जातील. परत म्हणतायत स्माइल एव्हरी माइल. जेव्हा घरी जात असता किंवा कुठेही तुम्ही जात असाल तर त्या प्रत्येक वाटेवर तुम्ही आनंदी राहा. तुम्ही आपल्या चेहऱ्यावर स्माइल म्हणजे आपल्या चेहऱ्यावर हास्य ठेवा. फॉर एव्हरीवेअर यू रोम, कुठेही जा तुम्ही, तुमच्या चेहऱ्यावर हास्य ठेवा. त्यानं काय होईल? इट विल ब्रायटन युअर रोड. त्यानं काय होईल? तुमचं जीवन आहे, तुमचा जो प्रवास आहे हा अगदी आनंदी बनेल. इट विल लाइटन युअर लोड. आणि तुमच्या डोक्यावर जे बर्डन असेल, तुमचे जे प्रॉब्लेम्स असतील आणि काही तुमचं दुःख असेल, ते कमी होण्याचा प्रयत्न होईल. बघा, माणसाचं दुःख कधी कमी होतं? आपण एक दुसऱ्याशी बोलल्याशिवाय होत नाही. एकटा माणूस म्हणजे एकटा माणूस दुःख पचवू शकतो, ही अशी फार मंडळी कमी असते. पण आपण असं म्हटलं जातं इंग्लिशमध्ये, शेअरिंग अँड केअरिंग, म्हणजे एकमेकाशी आपण शेअर केल्यानंतर आपण एकमेकाची काळजी घेऊ शकतो. तर तसं आहे, इट विल लाइटन युअर लोड. सो दॅट बर्डन, तुमचं बर्डन असेल, तुमच्या डोक्यावरचा जो मोठा काय लोड असेल, तर तो कमी करण्याचं काम कोण करतं? ते स्माईल किंवा इफ यू सिंग युअर वे होम, जर तुम्ही गाणं गात जर घरी गेलात. इन शॉर्ट, इफ यू गो होम in happy mood, then everything will be yours, everything will be fine to you. जर तुम्ही गाणं गात घरी गेलात तर सर्व गोष्टी ह्या तुमच्या मनासारख्या होतील. ओके, तुमचा लोड कमी होईल, तुमचं जीवन आनंदी बनेल, त्यानंतर तुमच्या डोक्यातले वाईट विचार निघून जातील. अशा पद्धतीनं ह्याचं मराठी एक्सप्लेनेशन आहे. ओके, थँक्यू. नाव it comes exercise section. Oh, okay, 2 exercises are there. They are so simple. First is recite the poem with rhythm. Okay, and second one is read and recite the new words and phrases. See, again, one more thing. If you find difficulty in singing this poem on the basis of previous rhythm, so I have new rhythm, which is old one. Okay, new rhythm is there, which is old one, and you might have used this rhythm for any kind of poem, any kind. Okay, so here I tell you, sing your way home, sing your way home, at the close of the day, at the close of the day. Sing your way home, drives the shadows away, drives the shadows away. Smile every mile, smile every mile, for wherever you roam, it will brighten your road, it will lighten your load. If you sing your way home, if you sing your way home. So this is the second rhythm to this poem, but I feel that, or here what, this is not better than previous one. So just do practice on previous rhythm. Okay, that is good one and it is also good one. So just choose one of them